Okay, hey. Um, Good evening, everybody. My name is Reggie, and I'm making this video to let you guys know what this channel is all about in English before I endeavor in my Creole adventures. Haitian Free Thinkers, the YouTube channel, is a way that I thought of to share secular information to mostly the Haitian community. I'm going to do that by creating Creole language material that talk about the topics of interest, mostly religion, perhaps a little bit of politics, a little bit of science, etc. Haitian Free Thinkers is a secular group. For example, I myself is atheist. I am an atheist. And if you wish to know more about the group, you can just email us at haitianfreethinkers@gmail.com. You can call us at 678-820-9474. Once again, at 678-820-9474. This forum, this channel, gives me an opportunity to practice my Creole, have a little bit of fun, but I must be honest, it's a little bit of a challenge for me because I came to the United States when I was very young. So the Creole is lacking, but also there's a matter of transliterating terms, trying to come up with adequate um, definitions or conversions to Haitian Creole. That's a little bit of a challenge. However, I'm determined to do it, and I've decided not to focus on being perfect and just to say the information out there. I know that it may not be 100% perfect, but it's better than nothing. So that's what this channel is about. I may do an occasional English language video or something like that, but that's the challenge. I invite everybody out there to check it out because I'll be using closed caption or subtitles so that everybody could understand. So that's the goal, and so I'll see you later. Thank you.